Hello guys, welcome to Programming Bro. I am RK. In this section we are going to talk about some advanced tags of tables. So let's get started. First I'm going to increase my sleep. Now I'm going to create my index HTML file, and we're going to talk some good practices for web development in this video. So I'm going to do ls here, then I'm going to run my Python program. Now it will ask me I'm going to file name will tut level dot I'm going to write PHP but it's makes sometimes. What can we add? HTML will be extension because we going to edit in HTML. File is created and server also started. Let's open our code editor. Now I'm going to just refresh this thing here. Now I'm going to open my file. Now first thing we're going to use table tag. In previous video we learned the basic table tag. So we're going to create our basic table. I'm going to just add table here, then just add this border. I want only one, I not want anything, so 0. In this tag we have tr tag. In this we have a td tag for inserting our data. In this I'm going to enter some company name other another will be profit. Oh sorry, I made a mistake here, but I'm going to write it. Now it's get profit, loss and employees pro fit fit and losses. So I'm going to replicate this and loss. Then I'm going to again replicate this and employees employees. Now I'm going to open this file in my browser. Just typing localhost. Yes, we get our file here. I'm going to open tut level. We get company name, profit, loss, employee. I think I have to give a border here, so I'm going to add only 1 pixel border here, 1 pixel. Then I'm going to see our result. We get something. Now in this we have to add company name, profit, loss, employees here. So first thing we're going to create simple copy, just paste and our total here. Company name should be blank, I think. Profit we're going to add it and get it. So just company name is RK. Iron Man. It is my company name. Other how much I get profit, only how much we get. Just how much, just I'm going to cut this thing. 1,20,000. Loss 0. Just I'm going to add. He have employee of 56 member. Another is okay, road. It is a name. It's awkward, but it is for example. It gets just only 1 rupee earning, and loss should be 20,000. We have just 0 employees. Profit here. Now we're going to calculate this, but first see our output in our browser. Just refresh this. Yes, we get we get everything here. Now we have to write here total and profit. Just I'm going to write result, not total is easy for me. So total, we get total now. Sorry, total profit should be, I'm going to add everyone profit here. So I'm going to add what, just to this 1 0. How much I have to add? 12 4 zeros. 12 and 0. We get suggestion here. Then loss should be, but 1 rupees. Then we're going to add this two now. Loss 0.20 3 zeros, just 23 zeros only. Now employee 56, I think. 56, but he had 2 employees. I'm going to increase this and 8 here. It gets very difficult to calculate everything here because we are not using Excel software. In Excel we have to just pass some functions, predefined functions, easy to use. We have created. Now think, suddenly mistakenly I had just this part, I had cut this thing and just paste here. Oh, we have changed our flow here. You can use another tag. You can use, so to prevent this we have a tag. So in first I'm going to give example how it work. First I'm going to create a div tag here, then just comment this thing. Now first talk about what are the 3 tags which we are going to talk about. First tag is t head. Another is O. I'm going to add that. Just press this thing. Then T body. Then T foot, I think. T foot. These 3 are table stack which help us to order our flow here. Means first I'm going to show how it work. Just I have to write here Oh no. I have to write T head here. Then just sorry. T head closing tag. Why are we getting an error? Unexpected table says started. TD. In this table body page. Oh, I have to write TH I think here. TH or I think TH. TH. Just remove this thing. I think why unexpected cell started tag. I think we have to use TD tag also. I don't know we have to use or not. I'm not sure. So just Alt X, just Alt V. What? Wait, I'm going to check my documentation using. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. So I'm going to just open browser and check T head tag in HTML. I'm going to open this thing. Why are we getting? Oh, we have to write TR also. We have to use TR. I forgot that. Just I'm going to remove this stuff here. Every stuff here. Oh sorry, TR here. I'm making very mistakes here. Why? But no one is perfect. We learn from our mistakes only. So I'm going to start with TD. Yes. Using this, I have to use. I'm going to back everything. I don't understand what I'm doing. Just do thing here. We get first. I'm going to use my multi-cursor functionality. Or Alt Shift up. Cut this thing. Alt Shift. TD. I'm going to handle it manually now. It take much time here. Oh, what the hell is this? TD. I'm making many mistakes here. Just I have to do TD here. Teddy. It sounds like Teddy son. So TD here. TD. Now I have to cut this part to my end. Not to my end, but to the table row center. So I think I had done everything here. Oh, Now I'm going to save this thing here. Then I'm going to open my Chrome browser. Just save this. We not get anything now. But if I cut this part from here to just at the last here, what will be result now? I think company profit loss, employees will be at bottom. If you are thinking, it is wrong, because we not get anything, because T head means the head of the table should be our this row which we have written. Now you can use td. Now I'm going to use T foot here. Just write T foot. It just help us to do everything our work. Just T foot, then cut this thing. We had made everything, I think we had done everything. Now our total should be at bottom now. Yes, we get our result now. Now like this we can use T body here. Means I'm going to show using a diagram now. First I'm going to open my command palette here. Just create new file, alt Z. Okay, I want anything. Now I'm going to show my drawing here. First thing, we have a row to this, a table. In this we have 3 columns, and this is our heading, this is our footer. Just think I'm going to color this some different. Size should be less. Now we have heading S and what name, another is class. Now it is our heading of our table. So what we do, we give it a tag called T head, table's head. Another, this is our total. What we can do here, what can we do? Class, we can add any classes. We're going to add class Roman rings, think it is Roman rings. Another class should be, he will be in 3rd class thing, and it is first number, take number. Another, we going to calculate, we going to add SN all of our students. So just add now. We want this box always in last, so we give a tag called T foot. So I think you have understand here. Now we are going to open this. Now this is for today. Now let's talk about good practices for web development. First thing, I'm going to create a first I'm going to create a div tag here. In the div tag I'm going to open Now I'm going to comment this thing. Now first thing, always maintain I think I am writing correct spelling of maintain. It is wrong, don't worry. I don't know that much spellings to write. Okay, always maintain your code. Another is make your code readable. Now first thing is this. Second is this. To maintain our code, we have two steps to do. First, I am going to add I always give indentation. TASION, I think it is, sorry, TION, indentation. Always give proper indentation. Always give proper, PROPPER, I think proper PROPPER. I'm making very mistakes, but I don't know spelling of this, so just leave it. Another is just and always use tags which help you very much. Means use basic tags which help us to read beginner level. Means if someone is beginner, he must understand what he is using, like table tags to create table, or you can use div, spans, another. And just I always support first point which I am using. Always give proper indentation. Second thing, make your code readable. If you are doing programming thing, first I'm going to write programming. Second, in web development. I just cut out everything. I'm not going to take programming here because it is web development series. Just cut this thing. In web development, JavaScript is a basic language to use in web development. Means you have to make your JavaScript code as readable. To make your JavaScript code as readable, I'm going to write JS here. I'm going to add a star because it is important. Just add this thing. Use variables with proper name like thing. I'm going to give tab this because I know what I'm doing. Like, just give this thing link, not like ke. Like, I'm making a program which take two numbers thing, just a plus b here thing. It will return just C thing. I'm going to write in a proper format. So function thing, it is a function name. I had written a function is take just two argument a b, then it's return just is do what the hell is this? Now just cut this thing. Now is do create a new variable called C and add value of a plus b, then it's written C. Mean it is the correct way to create? No. If you get old thing after 5 years, you have come back in this file, you want to know what code I had written, you say I had taken a and b. What is a and b? You get confused. To not get confused, you must use num or number. You can't write num2. I'm going to write num2 num1. Then is create a variable called sum, then it's add num1, oh sorry, num2 not num1, and num2 here, num2, then just it return sum directly. Now this code is readable for us now, but I'm going to give proper give like this. I'm going to use in next line, just do cut this thing here and I have to give tab here. Now JS in CSS. Now in CSS thing, in CSS you must use comments only, same comments use comments to what you are doing according to that. In HTML just use comments. I'm just telling comments only, and more things are here. Use comments. Another is in CSS always another point, it is just, so I'm going to do I dot here, then just come and cancel tab here, then do this. Then second thing, always always maintain your CSS code has HTML, means thing maintain maintain your CSS code has HTML, like HTML, like HTML. Now I'm going to give example. Example. What example can I give here? Like example. Thing. I just added this. Now in this example, just I have HTML. First I'm going to add HTML tag. Think it is HTML. Then just go down. Then CSS part. Now in HTML I have a tag called span thing. Not form tag. We're going to take form tag. This making very annoying to me. So just add a lesser than sign, greater than sign, then again form. Now in form you have input fields called I'm going to give tab here, input field. You have input field with three things. You have three input field. You have three input fields here. Sorry, I am going to add BR also. Input, then again BR. After input, I'm going to add BR. So let's do like this. I think BR. Just add here. Oh, it's made something different here. Alt shift up. I think Alt shift. Just I'm going to cut manually here. I'm not going to use anything. Now think, if you want to style this thing, first always style with form, add form tag, then curly brackets, then curly brackets, then use form tag, then do with input tags, then go with input tags. Always start with parent tag to children tags. It is important to for CSS to make what we are going to make web development code readability. Then we have created this. Now if you just cut this, now again add a what can we add here? Comment and what? Add a comment with tag name. In file name also, just I am working in tut level, then form, and what is action means to whom the data will send, to which page he will send the data. like it said I had created, I think, on next page.html. It send the data to next page.html. So next page.html page next.html. So again you do it this. If you have another div tag here, div tag, this div tag here, you have two more div tags, div multiplied by 3. I'm going to take 3. Now we have to give a comment, then what the hell is this? With tag name, first file name, because sometimes you have to use extra second page also, this to another which tag is this, div tag, then just do this for which you are using this tag, means to header means file header, or a navbar, like a navbar, another like a navbar, to why you are using this div tag here for navbar, like. Then start your div tag here, div tag, then just this is some little practices for web development. Another is very important. It is third parties comment, to which we gain want to third point is always create a try dot file. I'm writing try dot file because in programming you can use this technique in programming, web development, or Android development, in many more things. You can use this in Excel also, or what can we do, and machine learning. In many ways, in many field you can use this thing. Why we need this file now? If you think you are get confused in this code, you must copy this code and paste in try.file, then work on that file. If you made a mistake, you can adjust with that file only. You not need to edit this. If you get everything completed, just copy the content in try.file, then paste it in your file. It's over. Bye bye guys, let's meet in next video. In next video we're going to talk about dialog forms and some tags, like some many more tags, dialog tag, and a what can we use again. This I'm going to tell you next